Okay guys, so my hubby has gone to work again and I'm bored again. Outfit video again. This hoodie is from Vinted. I can't remember what it's called though. And I'm just wearing two vest tops. I don't know if it looks a little strange or not, but yeah. This from Zumi Biscuits. I will pretty much be wearing it in almost every video. It is now one of my favorites. And cookie dough and Jerry's is my favorite of all time. There's only the one, because everything that is made is a one time make, so it's like what you see is the only one of it. But there are other Ben & Jerry's ice cream necklaces. This one which I pretty much always wear. AliExpress. The Good Luck one, which is a little fox. This one from my partner. This necklace from my mom from a marketplace somewhere. I can't remember where we were. Shorts. The shorts are from Band Apparel. And the shorts are Band Apparel, and the leggings are from Y, I think. I don't know. So yeah, I'm pretty much just going to watch K-dramas again. And possibly re-download Fortnite on my phone, because the TV doesn't work, it's like broken, so I can't play any games on the Xbox. And I don't like PC gaming, so I haven't even asked if I can play some of his games. But I mean, he said I can, but I don't like PC gaming. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the other videos that I have done, and thank you for blowing up one of them. Like, for a small channel, it's technically blown up. So yeah. I accidentally turned it off. Stuff. So I did film a more serious video, but it was way over an hour long, and I think I'm gonna redo it in a shorter form though. I mean, editing it, I would cut out a chunk, but I just do not have the motivation. So I will just refilm it at some point and make it better. If you've seen, oh my god, hay fever is a nightmare. But if you have seen my other channel, there was a more serious video. I think it was, pardon me, it was Your Sign to Live or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do another one similar to that. I got the hiccups now. Also, I'm a bit obsessed with doing these bunches now. It actually went better when I accidentally did them. Well, I was just giving it a go and I wasn't even trying. And now that I'm actually trying, it doesn't want to work properly. But oh well. I always get a bit like tired and drowsy when he has to go to work. So I'm just like, waiting for him. And then I get really hyperactive when he's back. I'm like, okay. I'm gonna drink some water, and I might end up falling asleep. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna watch some K-dramas. I tried to do stars and it just did not work. So this one's a bit boring. Oh, and we was gonna do a photo shoot tomorrow we're gonna do a photo shoot tomorrow. But the weather has been so bad that the place we were going to go to do the photo shoot will be smothered in mud. Cause it's like on this big hill and it's called One Tree Hill. And it is very muddy. So like we basically have to try and have 2 weeks of no rain for us to even go up there without all this mud. So yeah. You can't really see it now, but when my cat bit me, she was in a lot of pain, by the way, so it wasn't like in a mean way, but she was in a lot of pain. And yeah, she bit me. And one side is completely healed now. I know that one you can just see a little dent. It was very painful, but it's okay now. Okay. Alright guys, I don't know, sleep or yeah, okay. This is just a video of me yawning. But yeah. Okay. Bye guys, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. And yeah. Okay, actually I better not because there are some weird people. But yeah. Okay. Bye guys. Have a good sleep. Or day, whatever. And yeah. Okay. I love you guys. Bye.